everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 590 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the ILLAMASQUA Antimatter Lipstick in the shade Cosmic that I just got in my September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. And so I've tried out this brand before because of Ipsy, and I was really happy to get another product from ILLAMASQUA. For some reason that's so hard for me to pronounce and I'm definitely butchering that. But check out this packaging, really nice. It feels like a high-end product, which it should, because it retails for $27. $27 for a lipstick. But it does sound like a really nice lipstick. So first off, this is a cruelty-free brand, and it says it's a long-lasting, color-intense lipstick with a semi-matte cushioned finish, halfway between matte and satin. And it contains vitamin E to nourish the lips. And so let's check out the color. So the standard amount of product, regular size, but it is such a pretty shade. So let me go ahead and swatch it. I love this shade, very wearable nude. So I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look on my lips. With it next to my lips right now, it looks like the exact same color as my natural lips. But it looks like it has good pigment, a nice creamy formula, and I really do like the finish on that, because it's like it said, halfway between satin and matte. But it's kind of like a creamy matte is how I would describe it. So it looks really nice. Hopefully it looks really nice on my lips. Very quick and easy to apply, and it really is such a nice color. Very flattering, very wearable, but I am not blown away by this because it's not looking super smooth on my lips. I can see a lot of the kind of wrinkles and lines in my lips very prevalently, but also just the pigment isn't totally smooth. I've tried out so many $1 lipsticks and some of them are so good and definitely better than this lipstick here. But this lipstick reminds me of, honestly, like an inexpensive formula. I feel bad saying that, but it's really just not looking amazing on my lips. And I mean, from a distance, it looks good. It looks like full color. It's a flattering shade, like I said. So I like it, I would wear it, but I'm definitely not blown away by the formula. Especially for that high price point. If I'm gonna spend $27 on a lipstick personally, I want it to be amazing. And this is just, it's good, but it's not amazing. It's not emphasizing my lips in a very flattering way because it's giving my lips texture, and I definitely prefer more of that smoothed out lip effect. I am going to continue wearing this because I like the color, but I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried this lipstick and what your thoughts are on it. I'm wondering if the formula looked smooth on your lips or if you also saw that texture. I'm just glad that I got to try this out in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, which that alone retails for $25, which is less than the price of this lipstick. Plus I got all those other products. And so far I've tried out the Madison Miller Ofra Midi palette, the Miller Squad palette, the face palette, and I really liked that one. I also got the Ciate London Extraordinary translucent powder as part of my box, so both of those were really great. And this one is just so-so, but because those other products were so great, it doesn't make me feel bad about my September box or my September products. If you want to see my review on the Ofra face palette and the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder, I will have those videos linked down below as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.